Hola! Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that will bring your fiesta to life with a joyful splash of color and culture. If you're looking for the best decoración mexicana for parties, look no further than this remarkable 30ft Papel Picado tissue paper Mexican banner set featuring iconic scenes from the beloved Disney movie, Coco. This gorgeous set includes two banners measuring 15 feet each, totaling a spectacular 30 feet of vibrant festivity. Each banner is lovingly handcrafted, with 20 unique flag patterns that capture the enchanting essence of Coco, the music, the tradition, and the spirit of celebration. The bright colors and intricate designs are sure to draw admiration from your guests and set the perfect tone for any gathering. What's truly exciting about these Papel Picado banners is that they aren't just decorations, they're a joyful celebration of Mexican culture. Each flag tells a story, stories of family, of love, and of life itself, much like the wonderful themes depicted in the movie Coco. From Day of the Dead celebrations to birthday parties or any festive occasion, these banners transform your space into a beautiful homage to heritage and community. Whether you're hosting a lively fiesta at home, a cozy gathering with friends, or a festive event, these Papel Picado banners create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Hang them on walls, drape them across tables, or let them flutter in the breeze, wherever you choose to place them. They're sure to enhance the celebration. Now, you might be wondering, how durable are these banners? These Papel Picado decorations are crafted from high-quality tissue paper, ensuring they maintain their beauty throughout your festivities. Just be gentle when handling them to keep those intricate designs intact. If you're ready to elevate your celebrations with cultural charm and festive flair, click the link in the description below. To grab your set of 30ft Papel Picado tissue paper Mexican banners featuring the iconic Coco movie scenes. Trust me, your guests will rave about the festive spirit, and you'll make unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fantastic product reviews and decor ideas. Until next time, viva la fiesta!